when you go to usually a live photo shoot seminar, it's usually a big open environment. And let's be honest, most of us as photographers don't have such a space. So we're going to be working with a really tight space, so I feel this covers all type of photography scenarios. In this tutorial, we're going to cover 25 different lighting setups that you can perform in your studio environment to give you unique looks and push your photography to another level. I'm also going to give you information on different lighting modifiers you can buy, tips for those of you that are new to photography. Maybe you want to go and buy certain cameras. I'm going to give you advice for used cameras, new cameras, what to look out for, lenses. I'm also going to give you a whole list of lighting modifiers that you can pick from and a brand that I recommend. So look forward to see you in the beginning opening of the tutorials, and let's get straight into it.